Tyler for Lava. Today I did work for Messina. So I was very lucky to get tickets to hear Matt Brown, author of She Is Not Your Rehab, speak in person. So when I first registered, they said they'd sold out, and then I added myself to the waitlist, and the waitlist opened and gave me a ticket. And so today I met Matt Brown and heard him speak, and was completely gobsmacked at how powerful his message is, how powerful his work is for not only our people, the Pacific people, but also for people around the world, because violence is not just a Samoan thing, it's not just a Pacific Islander thing. Violence and family violence and all of that goes with it, it's something that happens to everyone. It doesn't matter if you're rich, it doesn't matter if you're poor, it doesn't matter if you're colored, if you're white, if you're Asian. It happens to everyone. And so his story is so powerful because it comes from a place of understanding, a place of knowing and have already experienced this, and then allowing other men to be vulnerable with themselves and with others, and to share their experiences, not necessarily their experiences, but heal themselves from the experiences they had as children, as youth, as young men, so that they can be better people, better fathers, better sons, better brothers. So I was so blessed. And look, I have a signature, a signed copy, and I'm so excited. I am so happy that I was able to attend the talk today, and it's such a great timing too, because right now in Victoria they're talking about changing laws so that children as young as 10 can be locked up and treated as adults. And this talk solidified in my mind that locking up children is not going to help them. We need to heal the source and find the sources of this pain and the reasons why they are doing these behaviors, so that those can change in order for our children and youth to heal and to be better people. And so I'm going to be doing a YouTube video on my thoughts about that, so look out for it. But loved today's talk. Still thinking in my head all of the different things that I can do here at Messina, at my work, and so if you haven't already, please read She Is Not Your Rehab. If you haven't got a copy, check out your library. If you have YouTube, check out his TED Talk. At the very least, check out his TED Talk. Very happy. Gonna go sit in the sun in my garden. I've taken 11 until 5:04.